Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Framer AI. First, navigate to the Framer website and log into your account. Framer AI is integrated directly into the platform, so you won't need to download any separate software. Once logged in, you'll find the AI tools readily available within your design workspace. This seamless integration makes it incredibly easy to start leveraging artificial intelligence for your web projects right away, enhancing your design workflow. To access the AI design tools, open a new or existing project in Framer. Look for the dedicated AI prompt area, often labeled as Generate with AI or similar. Here, you can type a description of the website section or component you wish to create. For example, you might type a hero section with a call to action and a background image. The AI will then process your request and present design options for you to review and customize. Beyond design layouts, Framer AI is also excellent for generating content. If you need placeholder text for headlines, paragraphs, or even entire sections, simply prompt the AI. You can ask for 5 short paragraphs about sustainable living or a compelling headline for a tech startup. This feature saves a significant amount of time during the initial design phase, allowing you to focus on the visual aspects before finalizing your copy. To get the most out of Framer AI, begin with clear and specific prompts. The more detail you provide, the better the AI can understand your vision. Don't hesitate to iterate. If the first result isn't perfect, adjust your prompt and try again. Remember, AI is a powerful assistant, not a replacement for your creativity. Use its suggestions as a starting point, then apply your unique design touch to create truly exceptional websites. Happy designing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.